बुद्धि युक्तो जिहातीहा उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्माद् योगाय युजस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्. Endowed with the wisdom of evenness of mind, one casts off in their life both good deeds and evil deeds. Therefore, devote yourself to yoga, skill in action. So this is a sloka from the second chapter of one of the priceless book of knowledge from our scriptures, the Bhagavad Gita. Gita can be approximately dated way back to almost the time frame of 2nd century BC. As explained by Lord Krishna, Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam, skill in action is yoga. Though yoga has begun as a spiritual practice, it promotes physical and mental well-being. Yoga is not limited to emphasis on just physical postures, asana, breathing techniques, pranayam, and meditation, dhyana. Yoga is a discipline by itself having tremendous impact on the mental strength of an individual, closing the gap between the gross and the subtle. Though yoga was being practiced in the pre-Vedic period, the great sage Maharshi Patanjali systematized and codified the then existing practices of yoga, its meaning and its related knowledge through his Yoga Sutras. The Patanjali Yoga Sutras are the earliest organized representation of yoga. Sage Patanjali composed this form of yoga between 500 BC and 400 CE. Such was the popularity of this text that it became the most translated text of ancient India. In some parts of India, Tirumala Krishnamacharya is also considered as the father of modern yoga. And our Indian Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, suggested the International Day of Yoga during his address to the UN General Assembly on September 27, 2014. Modi ji stated in his address that yoga is a gift of India and that it can enhance the health and happiness of people all over the world. June 21st being the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere shares a physical significance in many parts of the world. Recognizing its universal appeal, on 11th December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga by resolution. So every year, Yoga Day is accompanied with a theme. And Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is the theme for this year's International Yoga Day 2023, which beautifully captures our shared aspiration for one earth, one family, and one future. From the United States headquarters in New York, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will lead the global celebration of yoga this year. So coming up in front of this audience today are a set of yogic exercises by the students of Keshav Memorial Institutions. I request everyone to listen to the enormous benefits being offered by this and implement them in our daily lives. Now over to Sri Bharat Ram Garu for the reminder of the morning. Jai Bharat Mata Ki.
Very good morning, everyone. Now we are going to start our yoga protocol. So, all of you, the yoga for humanity, yoga for harmony, okay, and yoga for mind and body. So let's begin now with a few movements, starting with the neck movements all together, called Griva Shakti Vikasa. Okay. So we'll start with the neck movements all together. Sit comfortably, make your spine straight and relax yourself. Now, once all together, just close your eyes and give a beautiful smile on your face. Bring your attention to the heart center. Relax your heart. Set a sankalpa. I will practice from my heart with love and complete awareness. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale, then exhale. Now gently open your eyes. Now Griva Shakti Vikasa, as I said. Now slowly raise the chin up with inhalation. Inhale, look up. Then exhale, center. Once again, inhale, raise the chin up, stretch your neck. Exhale, center. Now, interlock your fingers, keep your hands under your chin, and then very slowly, with inhalation, stretch your neck up. Inhale, all together. Exhale, center. Inhale. Stretch your neck. Exhale, center. Now keep your hands down. Relax. Now, from the position, now move your hands up and join your hands together. Inhale. Expand your chest region and then exhale down your hands. Once again, inhale, stretch your hands up and feel the breath. Take a long and deep breath. Exhale slowly down your hands. Now we are moving to the shoulder rotations. Now move your hand to the sides and then keep your fingertips on your shoulder. Now from the position, very slowly bring your elbows together in front. Exhale. Inhale. Expand your shoulders. Stretch your shoulders back, elbows back. Exhale. Join them. Inhale. Stretch back. Exhale. Inhale. Rotate. Now rotate here. Now we'll go for the rotations. Exhalation front and inhale back. Stretch and rotate completely for 5 times. All together. Then go for the anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, again the same process for 5 times. Rotation. Very good. Now keep your hands down. Now we are going to move to our body, the side bendings. Okay, side bending chedamu. Kati Shakti we call. Now first stretch your right hand up. Then keep your left hand to the down and then exhale. Move your body towards your. Inhale up. Then move your hand to the sides. Then exhale, go for the other side. Stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. Stretch your body as much as you can. Feel like someone is holding your hand and pulling to the side. How do you feel? Inhale, up. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Very good. Now all of you keep your hands down. Now move to the next asana, Vajrasana. పిల్లలందరూ కూడా వజ్రాసనంలో కూర్చోండి. So on the stage if you can sit, Vajrasana you can sit, sir. Yeah. Or else alternate Padmasana, Sukhasana also you can sit. Now from the position, Vajrasana. This is a very good asana for the digestion system. Now, interlock your fingers to the back side and then slowly with exhalation, శ్వాసని వదులుతూ మెల్లగా ఫార్వర్డ్ బెండ్ చేయండి. Exhale, slowly bend forward down. Inhale up. Exhale, bend forward down. Inhale up. Exhale, last one time, all together, very slowly bend forward down. Relax in the position, stretch your spine more as much as you can. Inhale up. Now, just from the position all together, come to the Marjari posture. Marjari asana, this is a very good posture for the spine. Okay. ఎవరికైనా బ్యాక్ పెయిన్ వస్తే బాగా ఇలాంటి మూమెంట్స్ చక్కగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Now, from the position, very slowly stretch your chin up and stretch your spine down. Arch back completely. Inhale, then exhale. Down your head and stretch your spine up. Now inhale. Look up all together and stretch your spine downwards. Inhale, we'll go for few times like this. 4 to 5 times ఇలాగే మూమెంట్స్ ఇస్తూ ఉండండి by yourself all together. Inhale, look up and stretch your spine down. Then exhale, move your spine up and head down. Do it for 5 times all together. Very good. Yes, very good. Now all of you come back to the Vajrasana again. Now, from the position, all of you stand up. Nilchandi. Alright, so here we are going to practice the Tadasana. Okay, so from the position, move your hands very slowly up. Inhale and join your hands over the head. Hands in Namaskar Sthiti first. Then exhale down your hands. Right. Now with the inhalation, raise your heels up, balance on your toes along with your moving your hands up. మెల్లగా హ్యాండ్స్ అప్ చేస్తూ టోస్ మీద బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయండి. హ్యాండ్స్ ఇన్ నమస్కార్ స్థితి ఓన్లీ. బిగిన్. Inhale. Raise your heels up, balance on your toes. This is a very important to bring a concentration on studies and focusing on your works. Exhale down. Now one more time, all together very slowly. Inhale, మెల్లగా పైకి స్ట్రెచ్ చేయండి. అలాగా శ్వాస తీసుకుంటూ స్ట్రెచ్ చేయండి, నిదానంగా స్ట్రెచ్ చేయండి. Exhale slowly down. Now in the Tadasana we are going to practice a side twist. Okay, let's see how many of you can balance yourself, your body. Okay, so this is a challenge for you all. So from the position, inhale, the same posture again. Move your hands up, raise your heels up, balance on your toes, then slowly turn your body towards your right side. మెల్లగా రైట్ సైడ్ ట్విస్ట్ చేయండి. Then slowly exhale, center. Turn your body to the left side. Exhale. Inhale, center. Now one more time. Challenge yourself, everyone. Exhale, balance. Inhale, center. Exhale at the side. Inhale, center. Now interlock your fingers. Stretch your hands up. Stretch your palms up more as much as you can and stay in the position now all together with a pleasant smile on your face. Just be there. Hold. Let me count for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly down your hands, relax. Now come to the Shitali Tadasana. This is relaxing posture. Maintain a 1 feet gap between legs and then close your eyes, palms facing towards the sides. Long and deep breath. Observe the condition of your body now. శ్వాసని మంచిగా తీసుకుంటూ ఉండండి. Now we'll go for the Kati Shakti. Gently open your eyes, everyone. Now move your hands in front. Kati Shakti Vikasa. This is for abdominal region. Gastric issues ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, బాగా కడుపులో మంటగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఈ మూమెంట్ చేస్తే చాలా చక్కగా బెనిఫిట్గా ఉంటుంది. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ది నౌ ఫ్రమ్ ది పొజిషన్. ఎక్సేల్, టర్న్ యువర్ బాడీ వితౌట్ మూవింగ్ యువర్ lower body, upper body only twist it side, right side. Turn your body to the right side. Exhale, inhale center, exhale to the left side, inhale center, exhale to the right side, inhale center. Now exhale to the left side, turn, and now be in the position and make sure that your breath normal from the abdomen. శ్వాస అబ్డామిన్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటూ వదులుతూ ఉండండి. Slowly inhale center, exhale other side again. Stretch hands to the back side more and look back side. ఎంత వరకు వీలైతే అంతవరకు బ్యాక్ చూడండి. Inhale center. Now let us all together move to the Surya Namaskaras now. Surya Namaskaralu చేద్దాం అందరం ఒకసారి. Simplified Surya Namaskaras we are going to practice now. Join your hands in Namaskar Sthiti. Now collectively all together the mantra, Surya mantra in your mind. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यसापेहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये ॐ मित्राय नमः. Gently open your eyes, move your hands in front, Hastasana. Now very slowly move your hands up, inhale and stretch your hands up as much as you can. With inhalation, maintain 1 feet gap between your legs and slowly bend back. మెల్లగా బ్యాక్ బెండ్ చేయండి అండ్ శ్వాసని కంట్రోల్లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఐస్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. Then slowly exhale, very slowly bend forward down. మెల్లగా శ్వాసను వదులుతూ ముందుకి ఫార్వర్డ్ బెండ్ తీసుకోండి. బెండ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ డౌన్. నౌ వెరీ స్లోలీ కీప్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ డౌన్ అండ్ విత్ ద బెండింగ్ యువర్ నీస్ బెండ్ చేస్తూ మెల్లగా లెఫ్ట్ లెగ్ మూవ్ యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ లెగ్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్. అశ్వ సంచలనాసన. అండ్ కెన్ డ్రాప్ యర్ నీ డౌన్. మెల్లగా మంచిగా నీస్ కింద డ్రాప్ చేయండి. And then now tuck your toes in. Now go to the Parvatasana, mountain posture. Now from the position, bend your knees and then go to the Ashtanga Namaskar. మెల్లగా అష్టాంగ నమస్కారంకి వెళ్ళండి. శ్వాసని తీసుకుంటూ మెల్లగా భుజంగాసన. Very slowly come to the Bhujangasana all together with the inhalations. Then exhale చేస్తూ మెల్లగా పర్వతాసనకు వచ్చేసేయండి. Now from the Parvatasana all together move your లెఫ్ట్ లెగ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్, లెఫ్ట్ లెగ్ ముందుకు తీసుకురండి. అండ్ డ్రాప్ యువర్ రైట్ లెగ్ నీ డౌన్ అండ్ స్ట్రెచ్ యువర్ బాడీ యాజ్ మచ్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ అండ్ చేంజ్ పాదహస్తాసనం, ఉత్తానాసన. పాదహస్తాసనం రండి. Now very slowly now move your hands up, arch back. మెల్లగా శ్వాస తీసుకుంటూ వెన్నుకలకి బెండ్ చేయండి. ఎక్సేల్, సెంటర్, హ్యాండ్స్ ఇన్ నమస్కార్ స్థితి. ఇంకొక రౌండ్ చేద్దాము. టేక్ ఎ డీప్ బ్రెత్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్. రీకలెక్ట్ ద ఆల్ ఆసనాస్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. ఓం రవయే నమః. One, Hastasana. Two, inhale, arch back. Three, exhale down, Pada Hastasana. Change your right leg backside now. Right leg మెల్లగా back తీసుకెళ్ళండి and drop your right leg knee down. Change Parvatasana, tuck your toes in.
యోగా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఎండ తీవ్రంగా ఉన్నది, నేను ఎక్కువ సమయం తీసుకోను. బట్ వన్ థింగ్ వి షుడ్ నాట్ ఫర్గెట్, అవర్ ఏన్షియంట్ మన ప్రాచీన భారతదేశం ప్రపంచం యొక్క వికాసం కోసం, వైజ్ఞానిక అభివృద్ధి కోసం, నాగరికత వికాసం కోసం అనేక విషయాలను కంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసింది. So many things our ancient Bharat has contributed to the world. ఖగోళ శాస్త్రము, గణిత శాస్త్రము, యోగ శాస్త్రము, ఈ విధంగా అనేకమైనటువంటి విషయాలను ప్రపంచానికి అందించింది. యోగ శాస్త్రం యొక్క ప్రతిభను, గొప్పదనాన్ని గుర్తించినటువంటి ప్రపంచం ఈ రోజున మన భారతదేశ ప్రధాని శ్రీ నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు ఇచ్చినటువంటి పిలుపును స్వీకరించి 180 దేశాలకు పైగా ఈ రోజున అందరూ కూడా యోగాని అభ్యాసం చేస్తున్నారు. మన భగవద్గీతలో చెప్తారు, అభ్యాసేనతు కౌంతేయ, ఓ అర్జున, అభ్యాసము చేతనే నీవు అన్ని సాధించగలుగుతావు. యోగాభ్యాసము మానవ జీవితంలో చాలా ప్రధానమైనటువంటి 3 అంశాలు ఉంటాయి: భోగము, రోగము, యోగము. శరీరాన్ని కష్టపెట్టకుండా, రన్నింగ్ చేయకుండా, వాకింగ్ చేయకుండా, ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయకుండా భోగ జీవితాన్ని కనుక శరీరానికి అలవాటు చేస్తే రోగాలు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఈ భోగాలు, రోగాలు లేకుండా మనిషి ఆరోగ్యమే మహాభాగ్యంగా జీవించాలి అంటే యోగా అనేటువంటి ప్రధానమైనటువంటిది. భగవద్గీతలో చెప్తారు, యోగస్థ కర్మాణి, నీవు చేసేటువంటి పనులన్నీ కూడా యోగివై అనే ధ్యానంతో కర్మయోగిగా ఆచరించినప్పుడు నీకు అన్ని ఫలితాలు కలుగుతాయి. అది మానవ జీవితంలో మనిషికి సుఖాన్ని ఇచ్చేటువంటిది ధనం, మనిషికి సుఖాన్ని, సంతోషాన్ని, ఆనందాన్ని కలిగించేటువంటిది ఆరోగ్యము. అలాంటి ఆరోగ్యాన్ని సంపాదించినట్లయితే దానికి సాధనము యోగా. అందువలనే కేశవ మెమోరియల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సొసైటీ తన విద్యా సంస్థల అన్నింటిలో కూడా యోగా అనేటువంటి దాన్ని ఒక ప్రధానమైనటువంటి పాఠ్యాంశంగా విద్యా ప్రణాళికలో ప్రవేశపెట్టింది. సోహం అకాడమీలో యోగా ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్ గా ఉన్నటువంటి కొన్ని అందరికీ అభ్యాసం చేయించారు. భరత్ కుమార్ గారు మన విద్యా సంస్థలలో యోగాని నేర్పిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. విద్యార్థులు మానసిక ఒత్తిడిల నుంచి దూరం కావాలన్నా, ఏకాగ్రత సాధించాలన్నా, చేసే పనులలో మంచి ఫలితాన్ని పొందాలన్నా యోగా అభ్యాసం అనేది చాలా ప్రధానమైనటువంటిది. కాబట్టి మన విద్యా సంస్థలలో ప్రవేశపెట్టినటువంటి ఈ యోగా తరగతులను విద్యార్థులు అందరూ కూడా ఉపయోగించుకుని, సద్వినియోగం చేసుకుని తమ జీవితాలను ఆనందమయం చేసుకోవాలి. ఈ సంవత్సరం యోగా అభ్యాసాన్ని ప్రధానమంత్రి గారు వసుధైక కుటుంబకం అనేటువంటి నినాదానికి వారు డెడికేట్ చేశారు. ఎంటైర్ యూనివర్స్ ఇస్ వన్ ఫ్యామిలీ. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ భారత్. సర్వే సంతు నిరామయాః. ప్రపంచంలో ఏ ఒక్కరూ కూడా రోగగ్రస్తులు కాకూడదు, ప్రపంచం అంతా కూడా ఆరోగ్యవంతంగా ఉండాలి అని ఒక విశాలమైన దృక్పథం కలిగినటువంటి జాతి, దేశం భారతదేశం. ఇలాంటి కాన్సెప్ట్ మనందరం కూడా అర్థం చేసుకుని నిత్యము యోగా అభ్యాసం చేస్తూ మన శరీరాలను ఆరోగ్యవంతం చేసుకుని మన మనస్సులను సంతోషభరితం చేసుకోవాలి. ఆ ఉద్దేశంతోనే కేశవ మెమోరియల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సొసైటీ దీనికి తగినంత ప్రాధాన్యత ఇస్తూ ఉన్నది. మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ మరొకసారి అభినందిస్తూ, యోగా అభ్యాసకులుగా, యోగా సాధకులుగా మీరందరూ కూడా తయారు కావాలని చెప్పి ఆశిస్తూ అభినందిస్తున్నాను. జై భారత్.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, I would like to call Ms. Pawan Kumari to propose the thanks. Pawan Kumari, lecturer of Keshav Memorial Junior College.
Good morning, everyone. It has been such an honor to be a part of this wonderful program. I, Pawan Kumari from National Memorial Junior College, wish you a happy International Yoga Day. On behalf of our management, I would like to extend my gratitude to our chief guest, our secretary, Dr. Anuragha Venkata Subramaniam Garu, our joint secretary, B. Sridhar Reddy Garu, our treasurer, L. Prabhakar Reddy Garu, founder and director of Soham Academy, Sri K. Sahadev Garu, our academic director, Dr. J. Nageshwar Rao Garu, and all the heads of the institution of Keshav Memorial Education Society. My sincere thanks to Mr. Bharat Ram Garu, yoga teacher of Soham Academy, and to all the teaching and non-teaching staff who handled the program successfully. I thank all the participants who made the event a memorable one. And special thanks to Sudheva students at Soham Academy for their contribution. Finally, I would like to thank all of you present here for making the time to be with us today and helping us in making the program a grand success.
Thank you very much. Now I would like to call Amrita and team for Shantima. Thank you very much. I request all high school students to stay back in the ground. All of you take little one step left, right to your. And other students, I request all to collect their refreshments one. All high school students stay back in the ground. All others can collect their refreshments near the gate. High school students, stay back. Stand here to your left. We'll start our assembly, so stand here.
Boys toilet fine
I request all first floor and third floor students to come down for prayer. Along with the teachers. All students can go back to their classes. Those who are here in the ground, stay back. You do here. Rest all can move to their classes. Take one arm distance and stand. Move towards your left. Towards the left and stand. Dear teachers, students of class 1, 7th standard students, those who are in the classroom, please see that they all stand for assembly in their respective places. Teachers, please see to it, children do stand for the assembly in their respective classes, in their respective places. Make them stand. Within no time, we are going to start our assembly.
Standard, attention. Standard, attention. Position. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Begin. Close your eyes.
I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and meet everyone with courtesy. My country and my people have led my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone, I stand. Standing class.
Very good morning to dignitaries, Secretary Sir, Joint Secretary Sir, Treasurer Sir, and Recommended Speaker Sir. And a very warm welcome to our students of Keshav Memorial High School. It's still what I do understand and not take much time, children. So you're all back to school. So you know the rules and regulations. These you have to adhere to it. Clear, children? So be regular to school. Be attentive in the class. Okay? And be on time to school. And this tomorrow also we discuss few more points. Hope you all watch this yoga, International Yoga Day celebrations in our school. And now your thing is you have to take an oath. First and foremost thing is, will you all be regular to school? How many of you want to say yes? Please say yes. Not yes. Say yes, ma'am. How many of you want to be regular to school? You all want to be? Yes, it should be. And then regularly as well as punctual. On time. In time or on time? Okay. So try to be a bit earlier. So these are the two things. Apart from this, communication skills. Which language do you speak in the school now? Generally in the school campus, each and everyone is expected to speak only in English. Am I clear to all? So you be the role models for the younger students. So all the 10th standard students make it mandatory that you speak and make others speak in English. Clear, children? And final thing to my 10th standard students. First and foremost thing, we need to give a big round of applause to our 10th class result. The students who have passed out, they have done wonders. And most of the students have banked 10 on 10 in different subjects. In almost each and every subject, our children score 10 points. Once again, I round of applause to the past students. And we welcome all our 10th standard students to this academic year, all the 9 passed into 10th standard. And we wish all the students of this academic year should go 100% result. Can you all get it? Can you all promise me that you are going to get 10 on 10 in good number of subjects and good number of students? Can you take it? Yes. So now our concept is so our thing is 10 on 10 is a target. Yes or no? I need a big round from the students of 10th standard. There is no clarity in your voice. Until unless I get a good sound, I'm not going to leave you. Are you going to get 10 on 10? And 100% result we need. So keep it in your mind and start working for all today or now. Now onwards, let us be on toes and get ready for our annual exams and preparations and all. Am I clear? Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day. Now children, you can just take a turn. You can collect refreshments around the department and you can make a move.